They say history isn't just told, it's lived. In God's own country, it's written in the lightning fast strike of a warrior practicing Kalaripayattu, the world's oldest martial art, and in the silent hypnotic gaze of the Kathakali dancer. This is Kerala, where every movement is a prayer, every gesture a thousand years of stories told through color and grace. But then the intensity fades into a whisper, and you find yourself lost in a sea of emerald green, where the air tastes like fresh plucked leaves in the endless tea plantations,